Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your background color on your Linktree profile. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then go to the appearance on the bottom, second icon, and scroll down to the background, and here you can select a flat color or a gradient background, and you have to tap on this square below the background color, and here by moving this circle on the color palette you can choose a color for your background. After you chosen, tap on confirm. You can select a gradient down or gradient up, and if you go to the preview, then here you will have the background changed. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.